It's gonna get for Makoti. For Makoti. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Babalwa Wakwa Joanna, also known as Lino Kanyom Tatisa. And today we've got the one, the only, Mr. Tatisa himself. Welcome mensen
To another episode.
Vandaag ons hand op pad. Ooh, sorry guys.
Hey, the Africans is fighting back.
Vandaag ons het 'n piknik. Ons gaan Kirstenbosch na toe.
Hey.
Ek is baie what's excited in Afrikaans? Opgewonde.
Yes, so dat kill. Ek is baie opgewonde.
Ek is trots.
Hi, you are proud.
Ek is
baie trots.
Baie trots van die dag. Ons het Glenfiddich piknik daar by die Kirstenbosch.
Ja, lekker Afrikaans.
Lekker mense. We're basically going to have a picnic. Sunset vibes. We got sent a picnic box by Glenfiddich with some goodies. And we're on our way to enjoy that, guys. Nothing much. As you can see, I've changed my attire.
Yes, we're not for Mama Good.
It's out to play. My hair is out to play, honey. Can we please just talk about my skin? Olay, girl, honey. Look at that skin, darling. That's butter, honey. No, me. So gorgeous. Clement, that's myself. Constantia.
You see, I brought you here so you can see your favorite neighborhood. I wasn't getting lost. Getting lost.
Anyway, guys, so yeah. See you.
I'm having a drink
These are so good.
for the cutting of the veggies. Guys, welcome back. We are having a picnic sponsored by Glenfiddich. They launched the Grand Crew, I think last year, but because of COVID-19, it couldn't launch. It was interrupted. But now, please go and get it and enjoy it with your loved ones over a picnic like this. Guys, how does it feel, Bob?
It's so nice. Yo, guys. Towards the second month, it got like really annoying because I was literally wearing the same clothes every day, and also like just going to the store like every time. It was an admin thing for me. Like, I'm such a free spirit that the clothes, like, I literally like the way that I dress is the way that I feel.
So now you are like confined, no matter how you felt.
If I
to
I'm really like a free person. I like wearing sometimes, like sandals and jeans, and I also like dressing up. So I couldn't dress up, I couldn't dress down. If I'm going to the shop quickly, I needed to wear everything. I couldn't leave the house without utwala. I missed looking pretty, like doing my hair.
You look pretty.
and just changing my hairstyles because I love changing my hair. So that was like one thing that I really missed. And just the freedom, really. But I enjoyed it. I feel like I embraced it.
Yeah, you did.
Because people usually don't embrace that. They hate
Yeah.
that. What I know is that, like, I got a lot of DMs, people asking me, yo, when do you take them off? I took mine after a week. I took off mine after 2 days. Mama I don't have to wear them. Yo, like so many married women kept on saying, yo, so meaning that I actually did wear them, you know. So it's not like these robile. I literally wore them, guys. I wore them all the time.
You served your time.
Literally. So yeah, I feel so good. I feel free.
I feel like a wife.
Yeah, I definitely felt so awkward with this dress that I'm wearing. Like, I genuinely feel like Dambas.
Shame, man.
I feel like those clothes are meant to do that to you. Fine, it is cute and whatever,
But it's
but it's work. Yes, at Jens and Chatwin, guys. It's no child's play. Don't think that it's child's play. And I feel like you need to be ready. It's work. Like, you take on a full responsibility of getting into a family you don't know. Like, for me, after 26 years of my life, I'm married into a family and I'm becoming a part of a family that I don't know. They do things a certain way, and now you need to unlearn that and adapt into a new family and how they do things. It's hard work. It takes patience, time, but kumnandi.
Is there anything different in your relationship
Oh,
now that you're a wife, or is it still the same?
definitely more sense of responsibility, because more sense of responsibility because now you're no longer just a girlfriend.
Yes,
You
right.
can't just pack up and go whenever you want to. Also, like the acknowledgement of families, like acknowledging you as the wife, and like my family acknowledging me as a wife to someone also. That respect.
It was hard.
That respect thing that, like, you're no longer just ubaba alwangu, but you are really no kanyo, like someone's wife, you know.
Yeah.
And then in terms of me, like emotionally, I think it's given me that whole sense of groundedness, that like, and solidity, like solid, like that. This is like a real thing. It's not just, you know, and it feels nice, like that I'm someone's wife, and I'm not just, you know, when someone comes and tells you, like, "Hi, Putin chatile."
Yes, when I get
you know, like, I am a married woman, you know. So
That's dope. That's dope.
And for you?
Yeah, I agree with most of the things that you said.
Does it feel different to you?
No, I feel like
Be honest.
in terms of commitment, in terms of seriousness and everything, and it doesn't feel different in terms of that. I mean, I don't love you more
Right?
or any less now that you're my wife. I still love you like crazy. The same way I loved you when you were a girlfriend.
Guys,
So in terms of that, Baba, I think, like, I mean, we've got 2 kids already. I mean, how serious and committed you have to get. And I didn't run. I was there. I'm there for my kids. I love my kids. I love you. I love my family. Yeah, so none of that for me is like, oh, okay, there's any difference. Except for the sex now. Angiphezu kwakhe izinyanya zami ngenyana yabo sebenza so sinika abazukulu. So from that perspective yabo. But I think for me the one thing that stands out is the coming together of the two families, being integrated fully in your family, having a relationship with your dad. You know, he actually called us on our way. He called me.
Wow.
He called me and we had a chat. Like we chat regularly. I think that's really dope.
He's literally always calling these days.
Yeah, I think that's really
last
dope.
week.
So it's like I've gained an extra mom and an extra dad. So I've got two dads and two moms. So that's dope. I like that.
And it's so funny because you were like, before, you're like, yo, me and your dad will never get along.
Yeah, I didn't think.
Because I came and I took his princess.
Yeah.
We will never see eye to eye. And I was like, no, I promise you, you're going to get along. He's going to love you. And you were like, I'm not sure. And he genuinely does. Shem, he's so fond of
you get along, Shem.
you as his
Very
son.
nice.
So,
yeah, Vagamajida. Uye kumanuzimela umekoneni ukhathi khwela uthi please call, I'm outside. No. Yabo.
do the right thing.
Ukwazi uyomqonqoza ube ne relationship no father. You know, please call, I'm outside. Hayi. Zai mashita zai. Talking about amachita. We had this incident. I think we should talk about it. Kabio baleka. You know?
I hate this, you guys. I've got this really, I want to say I hate men because I've got a father, I've got a husband, and I've got cousins. So I don't want to say I hate men, but I hate the way they make us feel. Particularly, our best statement is indombazana. You always feel unsafe, like, because you never know when you may get raped. Like, yo guys, I hate the way that men make us feel. Like, there's no, I can say that I cannot run freely around my neighborhood, but I live in the burbs, but I genuinely cannot run freely because amadoda, they always, especially
a group.
bengaflatanga okanye bezama ukuthetha nawe, like make a compliment about you, like your structure or body, or like to the point where I'm walking and I see a man walking in front of me, I'll never
pass,
want to greater. I'll literally walk behind because I'm afraid of how they're going to make me feel. So
how do they make you feel? I've been of calling.
They make me feel so disgusted. Because it's like, this is my body. Yeah, you should have no right to be complimenting or commenting, not complimenting, commenting on me, like, and my body or anything. You don't have to say anything. You know, it really, 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 it makes me feel afraid. It makes me feel disgusted and so angry towards men, because I've had so many incidents even in the past where a trusted male figure that's like a friend of an uncle, when they left alone with you, they'll try something. That to me makes me, like, it freaks me out so much, because one of the reasons why I don't want to have a daughter, like I wanted to have a daughter so badly, but I think of all those moments where I was left with a trusted uncle's friend, and then the minute it was just myself and that person in the room, they would try to do
flirting,
some type of disgusting thing. Like, yo, and then this could easily be your daughter, it could easily be your niece, it could easily be your cousin. Like, why would you take advantage of that? You know, so I genuinely feel like with my boys, shame, like that's one thing I've always told myself, I need to teach them. It shouldn't be the dad's responsibility, but my responsibility as the mother as to how to treat a female and what not to do, so that they can rub it off their friends too.
I think
to break the cycle.
I think it's frustrating, like this kid calling thing, man. Because Because every time, like, when Babala has to go jog, I have to come along. Right? I have to run with her because the moment she runs alone, she doesn't feel safe.
I'll never go home without a story of something.
Yeah, it's quite disgusting because it's actually a violation of a woman's bodily integrity. It's actually sexual harassment, you know. It's unwanted sexual innuendos. Again, the way you're sweetie, that thing ain't cool. You know,
confidence, sana. And now I was saying to Uzola the other day when we were running, like I understand now the context of group or gang rapes. Because sometimes you hear on the news because it's a gang rape and you don't understand how it happened. And we were in like a situation where Angeline, this city sodwa, like I was the only female on that road, and I was like, imagine if Lengamba without you. Yeah.
But even like the what actually pissed me off incident is like I'm with you and still when they are flagged because I was actually pissed because and I think the funny thing is when and they would not be men enough to actually talk to you as a woman. They're scared, they're cowards. But the moment Amashita are with a group, all of a sudden, they feel like the confidence. Yeah, let me flate. And I don't understand. Like, I really don't understand why she ends that way because it's actually sexual harassment.
It is.
Abanye abantu like banabantwana abazidaughters, you know. Abanye abantu banabafazi, abanye abantu banama-girlfriends, but you umchita, uhamba uflatela amanye amachere esitratweni, usenziwe ezi-snacks. It's actually like wrong, I think. It's a violation of a woman's bodily integrity. It's unacceptable. It actually makes like women feel unsafe because it's actually the gateway to rape. No man who flated. That's actually disgusting. Like,
it's so disgusting. And also, what pisses me off is the fact that if I were to go report that, no one will take me seriously. Nothing will be done because the very same people I am reporting to see nothing wrong. There are the perpetrators as well. They see absolutely nothing wrong. So to andine drama. You are suka wethu. Sometimes nabantu abangosisi ke sana. Mhlawumbe police station reporter komuntu ongosisi.
Victim blaming.
Anga understand ba.
Ngosikunconywe nje. Ngosikunconywa ubona uba bayakuncoma.
So guys, it's so abusive in society here too, especially abantu abamnyama, because I have never experienced umlungu and catcall. I've never.
You know, it's always like I've experienced that thing. We born I sense ngabantu. You know these guys when ngabesuka in a construction site and they are a group, they at the back of a vehicle, and there's a woman jogging by or there's a woman walking by, or they're actually not even on a car, but can be working side, and they can't call every woman that pass by, you know, and it's so echafisa then.
Imbeko yakho ithi sana.
Abanye abantu ngabantu abangutata abadala.
Yini abane family. Imagine ba umfazi wakho anokubona usenza lonto leyo, or your kids actually, not even your wife, your children, okay?
Yeah. I think but fair to like honestly, like this thing is out of order. Catcalling, kalapha ubasiswing, you know, kalapha. The fact that you think it's okay about wena, uthi sweetheart, uthi mwa, uthethe into zisnacks, stranger some dog mama ongasisi ongasazi nosazi. Kalapha ubasiswing. What will stop you from, you know, taking advantage of that person when there's no one around looking? If you catcalling women, you are a rapist. And if you are doing that, you are a rapist because ukalapha. So stop that thing.
If catcall you guy ne, ogqiba kwakho ungamoyi uzokuthuka.
Baby, uzenza clever or something like that. Yeah.
Awusembi. Ngenxa ungamoyanga, ayihasisi lento le awusembi. Like really?
The third thing is if that person calls you uye umamele, they would not know what to say. This is like violation. Yeah, I think guys we need to hold each other accountable to Namatod. And you know, impandla iqala ngehlonhle. You start slow and then it becomes something serious. GBV, izalwa kanjalo, catcalling estradweni. And it's usually a group of us. So when you see somebody do that, call them out as umshita and tell them that it's wrong. We're making our mothers, our wives, our girlfriends, and our kids feel unsafe in their own neighborhoods. It's actually disgusting. You're wrong.
I literally refuse to even go running alone, guys. Rather ndiye ejimini, shem. Rather, it's so annoying because sometimes you're not available. You've got your own things to do. Now I must be this person of like it's irritating. It really, really is.
Can do better, James. Things will only change if Jesus Namashita we hold each other accountable. Because the conversations that happen in our circles are very important. What do we talk about? Do we talk about exploitation of women, violating women, or do we talk about building women?
Exploiting a woman.
Like I'm saying now, the is a group of women. You would feel some type of way with a woman. If a group of ladies were standing somewhere and you walk past them and they make comments about you as you walk past, you would really feel degraded. You would. So you hi Pooji, Sam, you would feel some type of way. You'd feel some type of way. So look at that ass. Imagine you don't even know how to walk. You know when people are saying those things about you. Look at that ass. God, hey, how do you walk? You
literally don't know how to act.
Because like it's actually uncomfortable. It's uncomfortable when people do that. You know, every like man is looking at you as you are running. How do you run? You know?
Imagine having a daughter girl.
That is scary. Yo.
I do not trust men, Shem. I'm very sorry.
I can't even trust your brothers.
I don't
trust.
trust.
I don't trust. Yeah.
I genuinely do not because, like,
you never know.
You really never know.
You never know. Dessert.
Now one more. I want one more cracker before I go for dessert.
Dessert. Cranberry juice. Sweet. So ngalo magama sithi akanodlwengula madoda. Stop it. Stop it.
Stop it no.
Usatye. Awuzutyeba kuyatyejwa ke emtshatweni. Kuyadudlwa emtshatweni.
Exercising.
Yani? Njembu ukhead khona uzaw exercise njani?
This is my first week.
Nah.
These are so nice, guys. Yo.
What? Yeah, they're so expensive. Biscuits 18 rand. Hayi, just don't know.
Macaroons.
Ni macarona. Ndoni macarona?
One margarina.
Guy, yes, a biscuit. Imagine papas way. I don't even know whether the biscuits or chocolates is macaroons. Imagine. It's like 18 rands a one. How do you buy? I understand. But do I experience? So for the experience.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ubabalwa Wakwanzwana, and today we've got the one, the
only. For Makoti, yeah.
Thank you. Guys,
New
I
life
don't even have makeup.
Yes, Nisa.
Macaroons. I'm trying to stop myself from having another one, guys. I feel so bad.
Nobody ngamani kanjani, but yeah, 18 rand between.
Let me have one more. It's a Friday. I'm treating myself.
Whatever makes you feel better.
I'll have half. I'm gonna have half of it, not the whole one.
18 rand, Louis. From doon. Kaya yonke same time 18 rand pelile. 18 rand ilofe songa. Wow, papa jomlo maka omnyama. Phinde yenze umlomo kube mnyama. Yaphinde uthenge iColgate. Yazi yonke lanto toothpaste the Colgate.
That's exactly
Colgate.
I mungalo. You're not getting a kiss from me. Hold on. Aye. They don't want to behave.
Okay.
No. That's good cow in down. No, you didn't want to behave.
Can't behave. It's late up.
It's so nice. We could have had. This is like our second picnic ever.
Yeah.
As a couple.
That is so bad, guys. I need to do more picnics with my person. But tell me, this is a good picnic way. Because this is my second picnic arranged. Yeah, girls, saluteta, ngicela nimamele very quick. Sanucifamba ninodwa bafuna uspoil ababepemphathi bathwani. Nani khake arrange picnic nikhupha amadoda man. Ngeke umane nivalele ezindlini. Take us out, nisti picnic nje ni arrange nisti surprise. Mayeke kuba le way ba ngokuyinomba oko sithi ngokumntaka bawo oko kufanele sibe sintandazela. No. Spoil indoda yaspoil babalo. Lino khanyo. Lino indoda yaspoil indoda. Ya picnic amake picnic weni bethu khake 2021 make khake ni picnic like just picnic amadoda please. Sicela nje ubeka nje lo challenge apha abantu abangosisi. Picnic us yabona kumnandi kanjani upicnic nje just niphole nibethwe ngumoya away from the noise. Babalo. I will please take me on my first picnic.
Okay.
Wansapi?
I'll bring you here.
Okay, Papa.
Where do you want to go?
No, this is what the best place to picnic in Cape Town.
Exactly.
The best.
We can do. Guys, when Zola and I started dating, we always used to drive up to Signal Hill.
Yagcwala manxa Signal Hill.
Hayi baba, we used to drive up ebusuku sime pha. Awusakhumbula?
Akhumbula.
Xa sinesithukuthezi.
We lived in town kaloku.
McDonald's, McDonald's, uqoba kodwa.
Siyohlala pha.
Siyotya pha i-burger or whatever you.
Those were the good old days. Baba lesandithanda. Bafika ukho noinkosi.
Oh, it was so nice.
Then they replaced me. You know how sad it is to when you have kids. Baku replace.
It was so nice.
Yeah. Awuzumphinde baba. Ndiyafuna upicnic man. Manje undipicnic asando sami. Ekundivalela lapha endlini. Sundifuya andiyomfuyo mna ndifuna undikhuphe. Nxa kuba balunisa kwendawo zama-chingchong ziphakamileyo man. Ezindawo baba lunisa ngezwezi coops, yabo?
Lying, baba.
Ngezwezi coops.
Like cute little things. Let's go buy ice cream by the beach.
Yes.
Nope.
No, that's true. Ice cream don't do it. I don't like ice cream, but anyway.
It's the date. The fact that you went and took a walk by the beach and bought ice cream.
Now unyanisile. I need to do that more.
Need to do better.
But once kwendawo zakho zifensi man ngathi ekuseni ndihambe emanzini. Xa ungena qonda ba hey abelungu. Hey kumhlophe man lezi ndawo ezi ya.
It's only once in a while. I'm not
thanda athi dress abantu man nxibe tuxedo. Yena nxibela ndithi soze nxibe tuxedo mina for uyotya.
I'm not that kind of girl.
For uyotya?
I'm really not.
Diskipa ngaliyotya.
Kazi zonke nixoxela.
Ndifuna iskipa owanxiba isituxedo. Tuxedo. Uthi usitya khona bacula Doro Milatifadino. Ndiyazaza ndawo. Ndiyazaza ndawo Cape Town. Uthi usitya khona badlala iviolin. Like that's Baba Lo's vibe.
You are lying.
Ndifuna undise kwa KFC mina noma McDonald skip burger kwa Burger King.
Baba, why are you lying? Guys, don't listen to Zola. Mute from now on because you are not.
Yo, Baba, la ubone nxa ungena. Yo, welcome sick. Can I get your jacket? Yo, banje jacket yakho. So this side, please. Yo, go on. Hey, go. We have you.
I'm such a simple girl.
To this side, please. Yeah, we are pa. Talk. May I pull your chair, madam? Yo, pull your chair. Yeah, calling out your gentleman. Ngoku apha kudlalwa ngawe. Pull it back. So yeah, kuzwene lanto kune face cloth kuhlanjwe izandla zakho. Hey, sithi hayi yabona ukufikila ubhalwe khona ke. Indawo zikababalwa yeso. We've got bread and olive vinegar and hey bethezwe zakhona guys. Hey, kuba ukudlala umculo. Yo ajo ngabala izindawo zakhe guys. Mina nisenyanga Jupha itaxi rank siyothi inyama enyongo. Yawo. awuthetha nami ke ngoku jo undithi ulusu kwantu eats siyabangena yabo undithi mleqwa obry from our kitchen siyabangena ndimnandi.
He like Zola is just lying. Just thought I should tell you. Uyaxoka, guys.
Why would you say that?
Uyaxoka, Papa.
Ngoba and are those not my preferred places?
But you're making it seem like Dixak window is fence.
You Papa ubaba lo hey one side telembo on side telembo senyimini kwenye ndawo.
What place?
Ndalo sekuyeclass ukufraju. Uthanda ndawo zefence. Ndathi ndingena pha naqo yabona apha nokubhatalela just for le environment. Yo hey kwathiwa imili kwathiwa 1000 ndathi yeah
Guys, you played here 1,000 rand.
yo
Remember when you came back from the place I laughed so much?
hey
We were
into azoyiboshwa wena babalwa wathi babalwa kwathiwa dessert uthi dessert 500 yeah ice cream gqibi something next to the plate hey guys abazali bethu bawulala bengatyanga zezizwe kumnyama asindawo sizolala la ane baba kule undlala
hayi sothiwa zinyoka zabelungu
sicela udlala sindawo guys
sodwana anakhona
we are not going anywhere kumnyama siyagodoka sishushu kancinci sishushu kancinci imkam light awushushwanga guys we are home now baba like ke besitya since we picnic she hasn't stopped hi Papa, it's not a bad thing uja
this is my supper at the picnic. I was snacking.
Yeah, no,
Also,
it's not a bad thing.
It's my leftovers from last night.
You just know some. There's no need for you to justify yourself. You can't win a baby. Canon. When you buy the cake,
No.
no muffins.
Oh, you're not doing it, wena. How charge
You gave him. No evidence. What been saying?
Wow.
No evidence. Guys, thank you so much for joining us with VlOG. We hope that you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, man. This is us saying good night. Stay safe. Nikhumbuza abantu amadoda ayeke ukukhola abantu abangomama.